What's up, guys? Back today with my Synergy 516. Oh man, I'm loving this heli, guys. Got a couple flights. I think I got 3 flights on it so far, so I'm finally going to come out and film it. It's flying really good. Got it tweaked pretty good. It's pretty awesome. Sounds so cool. Love the way it sounds. It just sounds neat. Yeah, guys, it just flies so smooth. Sounds so smooth. I get everything dialed in pretty good. Let me take the canopy off and I'll show you what I got under the hood. Here it is, guys. I'm running the Scorpion 4020 1320 kV. Bought that used off of Chris Rybert. Bought the heli used off of Andy from Freefall RC podcast. Bought a new Castle Talon 90 ESC. I'm running the Torq brand servos. I'm using a mini Vbar. I got a Torq brand servo for the tail as well, full size. These up here are minis. It's just so smooth. It sounds awesome. It's flying awesome. So we'll go ahead and get a flight for you guys. Got a 6S Scorpion power battery in there. I think it's 60C 6S. Fits in there perfect. Running XT90s. So rail blades, 516 rail blades. So let's get a flight. Let's get to it. Sophie, you better back up. You're gonna get chopped up. You better back up, kitty. You don't want the Synergy to chop you up, do ya? All right, we good to go. Sophie, come on, back up. Come on, you're gonna get chopped up by the helicopter, you little goofball. Sit up on the fence. All right, guys, I'm running a straight flat throttle curves in the transmitter, no governor. I think bank 1 60%, bank 2 is 75%, bank 3 is 90%, and I usually just fly at 75%. Seems like it's pretty good head speed for me. Here we go. %, right here. It sounds so cool. Doesn't it? Sounds so cool. All right, let's bump it up to 75%. Now it's got some power. It's windy today, guys. Very windy. It sounds so cool, doesn't it? %, throttle curve. I love it. Oh, I love it. So cool, man. So cool. Let's do a big loop. Love it. Sounds like time's up. Time is up, guys. Look at this baby. Look at it. It's so cool. Look out, Sophie. Sophie's like, Sophie don't even care. She's like, whatever, bro. Sophie's just like, whatever, bro. Sophie, you're not afraid of the big helicopter? Looks like I'm a little crooked on the ground there. Oh man, guys. Let me get this thing straightened out for you. Woo! What a beast. What a beast. Oh, sorry, Andy, I didn't take off your palette Andy Raw stickers yet. I gotta do that. Guys, I'm loving it. Synergies, awesome helicopters. Hope to get everything straightened out with their parts issues and their manufacturing and stuff, because they're awesome. So hope you enjoyed that flight. Stay tuned for more flights with this baby, because I'm really enjoying it. Super fun. So till next time, guys, the RC Element Heli Edition out.